LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. As we can see, there is no much changes. The only thing is we get this correction and this move. All right. Now we want to see how we can look for a trade. First of all, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is based on daily chart, we are within this correction. We cannot confirm this is the start of the up move or not, because unless this one turns to a deeper correction. Because if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for this correction for the next trade, but as we can see that the prices start to move based on lower time frame. We want to see whether this is a start of the up move or not. Anyway, even based on forward chart, whatever we have here, it doesn't give us any trade setup, any confirmation for the next move. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue, but we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we need to know about the forward chart. We want to see if there is a continuation. We want to see the breakout of the previous tops. All right, the first one is 280. Exact price will be almost, we need to break out of the 281, following by 290. This is the key levels we're looking for, because we mentioned we want the price to break and continue. If not, we have to look into this bigger correction, right? Anyway, mostly we're expecting for continuation. That's why any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, we can take the trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. Okay, now the question is whether we can expect this one to give us one more drop. The best thing is if this one turns to a deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation, as I explained based on forward chart. But since we have this sharp move, maybe we can consider if we get the flag, we look for one trade. We want to see whether this is the start of the up move or not. And if I move to 15 minutes, it will be more clear. Right now, we maybe wait and we'll look at this. If we get any trade setup, we take it. And we want to see the next move we're looking for the sharp move, and we want to see the breakout of the previous top. Okay, we consider as a short term. All right, in case this is the start of the up move, but technically still we can expect this one give us at least one more drop with the breakout of this low. At least it doesn't mean that when I say at least, it's still we can expect this one turn to a deep correction. Okay, at least to give us one more drop, then from there we look for reversal. But right now we're looking at this. Okay, if this one turns to flag, either we take the trade from here or we can have a trip of this. Okay, and what we want to get the sharp move, not the corrective move. All right, and if and beside that, whatever the targets we have here, this is the relative when the price was within this move. Because when the price was within this move, we have been looking for trade, and this is the targets we put there. All right, anyway, we don't have, I mean, we're looking for the trade setup, but we prefer this one turn to a more complex correction. This is what we prefer. And right now we're looking at this. Maybe we get, if we get any trade setup from this as a flag, we will take it. But right now we have to wait another few hours to confirm this is a flag. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And beside that, if there is the prices start to drop, we don't take the trade. That's why I mentioned wait another few hours. If we get the flag, maybe we can look for trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.